Morning. Good morning, children. Today we will start first chapter. Continue. Today I will teach you place value and face value. Face value in the number, the face value of each digit in a number remain the same and is the digit itself. But the place value of the digit in a number is the value of the digit according to the position in the number. Now here example 4347 is given. For 4 is the place of 1000, but face value of 4 is 4 number itself. Now I will explain you place value of a digit. In this place value house, the place value of a digit increase 10 times with each step to the left. Here ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. In this, we will find the place value of a digit 6. If 6 is at the ones place, the 6 ones or 6. 6 at tens, the 6 tens or 16. 6 at 100, 600 or 600. Same here 6 at 1000, 6000 or 6000. Place value on a abacus also. Here strings are there. Here first string ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. In the abacus, we can show the number with the beats on a string. Ones place 3 beats means 3 number, tens place 1 beat means 1, 100 place 5 beats 5, 1000 place 2 means 2. Here expanded form also we can find out. First we have to write the place value, then expanded form. Place value, here number is given 9784. Here 9 at 1000 place we will write 9000. The place of 7 is 100, then 700. 8 at place tens, 80. 4 at ones, 4. Let us do practice exercise 1.1, page number 17. Question 1. Write the numbers in the place value house. Here 2176, 2 at 1000, 1 at 100, 7 at tens, 6 at ones. Same way you have to complete this place value house. Now question number 2. In question number 2, in each of the following numbers, write the place value of a digit in blue circle. One has been done as an example. 5, blue in circle, 5 at tens, so 5 tens or 50. 2 at 100, you have to write 200 or 200. This way you complete it. Now question number 3, filling the blank. 1 filling the blank is done. 2953. 3 at the ones, so 3, 5 at tens, 50, 9 at 100, 900, 2 at 1000, 2000. Same way you complete this one question. In this also, here place value is written, you have to write the number. Question 4, write the expanded form. In this question, 3124 is equal to 3 at 1000, 3000, 1 at 100, 100, 2 at tens, 20, 4 at ones, 4. Then you can write the expanded form this way also. 3, can count that after the 3 how many digit? 1, 2, 3. Then you have to write 3 0 plus 1. After the 1 2 digit you have to write 2 0 plus 2. After the 2 ones 1 digit you have to write 1 0 plus 4. After the 4 no digit, then only you have to write 4. Same way you complete in your book. Let us continue chapter 1, comparing numbers. In this we will learn how to compare the different digit number. Here 4 digit number 3750, here 870. In this easily we can compare because here is 4 digit number, here 3 digit number. We know 4 digit number is greater than 3 digit number. Let us compare these numbers. Both the number have the same digit. If we have both the numbers same digit, in this example 3572, here 3532. How we will compare this number? When we comparing the same digit number, we will start from the higher place value. Means first number we will see. In this first 3, here also 3, both number are same. Next number 5, in this also digit 5, 5, both are same number. Next number 7, here next number 3. You compare 7 and 3. 7 is greater than 3. It means 3572 is greater than 3532. When we compare all the number and write, if we have so many numbers, then we can write in the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging from smaller to greater. In this figure, small to greater. Same way, we compare the number from greater to smaller is called descending order. We call descending order. One example is here. Number is given 3405, 7768, 8765, 4376. In this number, we have to arrange in ascending order. In ascending order means smaller to greater. First you see the first number 3. In this figure 3, next 7, next 8, next 4. First number, which is the smallest number? 3405. Then we will write first this number. Next number is 4376. Next we will write. Then greater 4376 more than next number is 7768. We will write. And 8765. This way we arrange the ascending order. And decreasing order, if we write the number, then it will be decreasing order. Previous video I have explained comparing the number and ascending order. So let us practice exercise 1.3, question number 1. Compare the number. In this you have to compare the number 9231 and 9321. In this number you have to see the first digit are same, second digit here 2, in this digit 3. 3 is greater than 2. It means this number is greater than this. 9321 is greater than 9231. Now question number 2. Arrange the number in the ascending order. First smallest number you have to write first, then smaller to greater, then greater, greater. This way you have to write the ascending order. In this 1, 1, 1, 3 numbers are there. So you have to take the 2 digit. In 2 digit it is 10, it is 13, this is 15. So you have to write first this digit, second this 13 digit, and 15. You have to write. Then after 1 digit, buildings number. If different digits are given, we have to write the different numbers. We can write any number with the digits. Here digits are given 7, 2, 3, 5. In this we can make so many numbers like that 7, 5, 3, 2 or 2, 3, 5, 7. This way we can write many numbers. If we want to write the smaller number, then smaller number we can make by arranging the digit in increasing order. If we want to write the largest number, then we have to arrange in increasing order. Here example is given, make the smallest and greater number using the digits. Here digit is given 8, 5, 4, 9. Then we have to write in smallest number and greatest number. Smallest number we have written in increasing order all the digits like 4, 5, 8, 9. This is our smallest number, or in decreasing order 9, 8, 5, 4. This is greatest number. This way we can write smallest number and greatest number by using the different digit. Now rounding of a number. Rounding of a number nearest 10. Rounding of the number nearest 10. Here one number is given 22. First we have to find out 22 comes in between 20 and 30. We have to see the ones place value. Ones place value is 2. 2 is the less than 5. If the number is less than 5, then we will write nearest 10, 22 number 20. Same way here, ones digit we have, ones digit 2 is less than 5, so 22 is rounded down to 20. One another example, 37. In 37, ones place is 7, so 7 is the more greater than 5, so 37 is rounded up to the 40 number. We can increase the tens digit by a 1. In previous video, I have explained building the numbers and rounding of the numbers. In this, let us practice 1.1, page number 25, question number 3. Write the largest number that can be made by digits 4, 3, 9 and 7. For the largest number, you have to start with the largest number. First you have to write the largest number, then next smallest number, then smallest, then smallest. 9. In this you see which is the largest number, 9. Then you have to write 9, 7, 4, 3. This is the largest number you can made by different digits. Now write the smallest number that can be made by the digit 2, 4, 7 and 5. Smallest, for writing the smallest number, you have to write with the smallest number. First you have to find out which is the smallest number, 2. Then 2, 4, 5, 7. In ascending order you have to write it. Now match the number with a pair of tens between which the number lies. In this 77 number lies between 70 and 80. one example is here. Same way you have to match it. Rounding of the number to the nearest 10. In this, first you see the number 21. 21 number lies between 20 and 30. So one's place you see one number is written. 1 is less than 5. It means it's rounded down to 20. Same way in this 49. 49 lies in between 40 and 50. So 40 and 50. But here one's place 9 is more than 5. So it will round it up as a 50. This way you complete the exercise. Good morning children. In previous class I have explained you about the numbers, building numbers and rounding of number. In this class I will explain you even number and odd number. We can find out even number. The number ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even number. The number ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even number. Even number we can make a pair. Odd number. The number ending in 1, 3, 5 and 7 are odd number. Odd number we cannot pair. Now we will do exercise 1.3, page number 25, question number 7. Color the joker's cap with even number in red and those with odd numbers in yellow. Here cap are drawn. Below the cap numbers are written. You have to see the number and according to the number, if it is even number, you have to color red. If it is odd number, you have to color yellow. This way you complete this question. Good morning children. In this video I will explain you how to write in your notebook. First you have to write date at the corner. Next you have to write the chapter 1. Below the chapter 1 you have to write the name of the chapter, 4-digit number. Then you have to write MCQ and take the correct answer. This way you have to write the question from the book. You have to note down the question 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the book you have to write in your notebook. Now next, page number 28, work it out is given. For that, question number 1 I have given here. You have to write question 1, A part, B part and answer also I have given. This way you have to do in your notebook. Then you have to write question number 2, 3. Like that you have to complete up to question number 10 in your notebook. In next PDF file I will send you answer.